Buntech, a leader in mineral solutions development, is opening its new headquarters in Indaiatuba. With a floor space of 10,000 square meters, the area hosts the administrative and logistics headquarters, as well as a state-of-the-art innovation center. The Innovation Center has several laboratories to support the company's different business units.
This project means the beginning of a new phase for Buntech. It offers the structure we need to grow over the coming years. The workspaces were designed to create an inspiring environment for our core workers.
Innovation has always been central to Buntech, that it's very well recognized in the market for its high-value mineral solutions. Now, the new Innovation Center will allow us to expand the numbers of initiatives.
The creative new office space follows leading-edge global architectural practice. The modern, light office environment is easy to work in and inspires optimal employee workplace wellness. The new distribution center has increased pallet capacity from 2,000 to 7,000 pallet positions. The entire operation is automated, making processes more efficient and streamlined. The exceptional location of Indaiatuba allows for easier service to every region within Brazil, as well as being suited for import-export. Welcome to our new headquarters and a new phase in our company.